Welcome to My Bike Thing, your destination to begin your hand-built cycling adventures. My name is Paul, and I thank you for watching. The Trek aluminum 7000 frame with Tangy big fork, and I know what you're thinking. Why would anyone want to ride this frame when they can just buy a full suspension 29er? Hell, why not let the bike pedal for you too? First note, the condition is excellent. A minor scratch on the drive side seat tube and repainting the chain rub area. Otherwise, this frame is pretty solid. Note too the engravings under the frame. But here's why people are riding these now more than ever. Trek's aluminum mastery represents an era when mountain biking was pure adrenaline. That E9 sticker means something. It's Trek's certification for controlled heat treatment and precise welding. This AL6000 material is built for strength. You can hit the trails hard, ride the bumps, feel every rock. Don't just bounce over them, learn from them. That's what mountain biking was all about. The Tangy Big Fork? Japanese chromoly craftsmanship that purists hunt for. While the aluminum gives you stiffness and lightweight, chromoly forks add that perfect touch for compliance and durability. The serial number dates this bike frame to 94-95, when Trek was perfecting aluminum welding techniques, a time when mountain biking was transitioning from the fringe to the mainstream. We're still riding through forests with no trails, over water with no bridges. This frame happily conquered early off-road adventures. Time to relive it. Let yourself reconnect to mountain biking roots and discover why it became so popular again. This isn't about seeking comfort, it's about going deeper into what drew us to dirt in the first place.